Hi, so this is my presentation for the stock trading platform. And as per the requirements, we had two kinds of users, an admin, and I'll start with the admin, and the other kind of user is a trader. So the admin required three functionalities: add stocks, change market timings, and add a holiday and remove a holiday. So I'll add a new stock, maybe something like I'll think of a stock. Yeah, TWIT. Price 50, company Twitter, volume 6,000. Yeah. So I have added a stock named Twitter, and you can see my terminal shows that the Twitter stock has been added. The admin can change the market times, and currently it's from 1:30 p.m. to um, 12 a.m. And I can change it to any time, 12 8 p.m. to 4:45 a.m. date time. So my timings for the market have been updated. I can add a holiday. I already have Thanksgiving as a holiday. I can add 25th Friday as Black Friday. Holiday, my Black Friday, it's added to the holiday management as a holiday. So for the sake of debugging and showing the video, I have made two changes to the code. I have removed my checks on can trade at this time for buy, but I have kept them for sale so that I can show. I can, since I'm recording the video on a weekend, so uh, I wanted to show that I can provide those checks of holidays and sales and weekends. So I've kept them on for selling, but I have closed them for buying. Okay, so I'll go to one of my users. That is something I created. Okay, now I will buy a stock. So I'll start with selling a stock. I'll sell 5 stocks. Submit, sell stock. So it tells me to return between a designated time. This fails both my time check and my holiday check. Um, Similarly for buy stock, since I've disabled the if conditions for those, I'll buy 5 stocks and it gives me added to portfolio. Since if you remember my Apple portfolio had 211 stocks, I bought 5 and now I have 216. I'll buy some Bloomberg as well. Bloomberg 10. So now I have 10 stocks from Bloomberg. I can check in my history that I bought 5 stocks of Apple, 10 stocks of Bloomberg. I'll hide my history. Um, we required one more thing which said I can set a limit for each of my transaction. So I want to buy 5 stocks of Bloomberg at when the price is below 120, suppose. Yeah, I'll set my date from something which is active. And so a limit information has been added to the table. I'll show my postman that, okay, it got executed already, I believe. Uh, all stocks, get user limits. Yeah, my limit information got executed, and I think I have bought 5 stocks from Bloomberg. It was 10, I got it to 15. Now, um, suppose I make a transaction such that I don't have money to buy those. I buy 1,000 stocks of Apple. So this gives me an error saying not enough volume available or not enough cash available to buy those stocks. So that was one thing I wanted to put in there. Uh, Transaction failed because the stocks are not available or you don't have enough cash. So that is the thing I showed to the user in the transaction history. So I'll hide my history again. And yeah, so since I showed that we added a few stocks from Twitter. This is my thing here for Twitter, and I have also arranged all the stock names in alphabetical order here. These are Apple followed by Alpacino, Alphabet, Bloomberg, all the way down to Twitter. And the user portfolio is shown at the top of the dashboard with the username, trader name, and current cash they hold. I have used MySQL as my database. My I've checked my endpoints using Postman, and my primary backend is written in Spring Boot in Java with JPA repository, and my front end is in AngularJS. Yeah, so that is all I believe we can show you. Admin. I think I didn't miss anything in the admin. Yeah. Thank you. That would be all for my presentation.